welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to Mia's hair before we go to the pool. I don't do this every single time, but I should. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to protect her curls, keep it moisturized, and keep it from trying not to tangle as much as possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. Say hi, BB.
My Barbies want to say hi to you guys.
Say hi. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to protect her hair. So I'm just using a spray bottle to get her hair really wet. And like I said, I already put a little bit of this in her hair. But I'm gonna put some more just so I can just so I can detangle her hair. All right, so now her hair is wet, saturated with that kinky curly leave-in. And normally I detangle her hair with like a Denim brush type of brush, but this one that I have is super ripped. So if I use it, the bristles will fall out. So I'm just gonna use this for now. So I ended up grabbing this one and using this one because the wide tooth comb was just not working. Like, I don't know how I started detangling her hair with that comb, but this one works so much better even though it's ripping. So I'm just using this one. So when I'm detangling her hair, I always start at the very bottom. You see how easy that part just detangled? I love this brush for detangling. I'm gonna have everything that I'm using down below. I'll have links to all the products for you guys so you can find them. All right guys, so I detangled all her hair, and now I'm gonna put some of this leave-in. Also, it's the Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. This is just gonna help with the moisture in her hair, because when you're in pool water, the chlorine really dries out your hair, and even though most of this is gonna wash out in the pool, it's gonna help retain some of the moisture that I'm putting in. So I'm gonna put some of this in her hair. And don't be afraid to use a little bit more than you usually would, because like I said, most of it's gonna wash out in the pool anyways. Now that I have that second leave-in conditioner in her hair, I'm just gonna part her hair into two sections because I'm just gonna put two braids in her hair. I like to braid her hair when she goes in the pool because afterwards I don't have to deal with a huge tangled mess. She has gone in the pool with just her hair down, and for the most part, like, it doesn't get too crazy tangled, but if I let her hair dry after the pool, it's a dry, tangled mess. So braiding her hair before she goes in the pool really helps with not having a huge tangled mess at the end. And also it helps with not having a whole bunch of hair in her face when she's swimming. And these braids don't have to be perfect because they're gonna get messed up in the pool anyways. So don't worry about them looking, you know, perfect. It's just mainly to keep her hair out of her face and to keep it in a protective style. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this coconut oil from Marc Anthony just on the ends of her hair, just so her ends don't dry out. And this stuff goes a long way. Normally, like when I'm just styling her hair, I don't put it in because it's pretty greasy. So, but she's going in the pool, so I like to warm it up in my hands and then put it on the ends, just like this, and then wipe the extra in her braid. But yeah, you really want to make sure those ends are coated just so they stay moisturized. Like I said, I'm gonna have all this down below. And then I'm just squeezing the extra coconut oil and conditioner all through her hair.
Why do you always smell so good?
Oh my gosh, her ends are always the first to dry out, so I make sure that those are the most moisturized. All right, and yeah, so this is how she's gonna go in the pool, and I'll show you guys after the pool what I do for her hair.
Next video or the same video?
No, after.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the pool and see you after. Bye. Red one? Where's the red one? This one?
The red one.
Oh. Ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
All right,
no.
go. Go. Go, Mia.
Okay.
Come on. Let's get it over with.
I don't want to.
Mia, I'm gonna push you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I did it. It's cold.
All right, you guys, we just got back from the pool. It's been like 4 hours probably. But yeah, we had a good time. This whole next week is supposed to storm, so today was the perfect date to go. But time to take care of her hair afterwards. All right, let's go in the bathroom. All right, so this is what her hair looks like after the pool. So all I'm gonna do is have her get in the shower. I'm gonna shampoo it and deep condition. I'm not gonna show you guys that part, but I'm gonna show you the products I use on her hair afterwards. And then I'm gonna show you what I do, what I put in her hair afterwards, like leave-in conditioners and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in the shower and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so she just got out of the shower. I shampooed her hair with the Weedad Curl Quencher Moisturizing Shampoo. I'm gonna have this link below. And then I deep conditioned her hair with, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love this stuff. It's so good. It smells so good. It's the Manuka Honey and Referra Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask from Shea Moisture. This is such a staple in curly hair care. Yeah, so I'm just going to now put some leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go in with the Kinky Curly. I'm totally out. I need to get more. Literally, I'm out. Like, there's no more in here. But I'm gonna put this in her hair first. Just running this all through her hair. And I didn't really dry her hair yet, so there's still a lot of water.
Ouch.
What?
I just cracked my wrist.
You want a lot of water when you're putting products in because it helps distribute the product a lot better. You don't want it dry when you're putting in leave-in conditioner. And then just for a little bit more moisture, leave-in, I'm gonna go in with the Bella Curls again, the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm just gonna go in with a wide tooth comb, not to detangle, but just to make sure that everything's in her hair. So now her hair is fully conditioned. I'm just gonna let her hair air dry now. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it. It really does help me out. And if you liked me and Mia, please subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of curly hair videos, helping you guys with some tips and tricks. So if you are interested in more curly hair videos, please subscribe. And also comment down below what other curly hair videos you'd like to see from me and Mia. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next